Hi everyone, ever wish that boring document could magically become a stunning visual story? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to transform any document into a beautiful interactive story using the Gamma AI. No design skills needed, so let's get started. First, go to the Gamma, and then once you're in the Gamma's dashboard, click the Start From text. This option lets you paste or upload your content to auto-generate visual layout. Then here you can copy and paste the content from your Word doc, Google Doc, or even PDF. The Gamma reads your headings, paragraphs, or bullets, structure the story. And now the fun part, the Gamma will suggest multiple design templates. Pick a style that suits your audience or topic, from corporate sleek to creative flair, and click generate and watch as Gamma turns a plain text into a series of slides or pages, complete with visuals, icons, and layout magic. Then here you can fine-tune your story using the Gamma's built-in tools. Just drag and drop sections, add videos if you have, and apply themes and branding. And that's it. In minutes, your document becomes a scroll-stopping interactive visual story, ready to share or present. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.